Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable automatic keystone correction on your XIAOMI Smart L1. To do it, click on the settings button on your remote, then go to all settings, and now you can go to Projector, go to Keystone correction, and now you can enable or disable auto keystone correction, just like that. And also you can execute auto keystone correction now by selecting execute auto keystone correction. You can also enable easy view option, which will automatically adjust the projected image to avoid obstacles, which I think is a great option. And also, if you have a screen that's sold separately, you can select Easy Fit, which will automatically adjust the projected image to fit the screen. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.